Okay, so this is going to be a quick video to demonstrate the plugin or app I wrote for Shopify very recently that integrates Electroneum instant payments to any store. So I've already gone on the install URL to a fresh store. I've added a test product, so I'll be able to walk you through the whole install and order process. So, as you can see, this app is embedded in the Shopify admin, and uh, there are a couple of things that the user will have to do to set it up. It's really not that complicated. It's just things I couldn't get the app to do by itself because of restrictions from Shopify. So the customer will have to add his outlet ID and API secret. So I'm going to go ahead and do it now. So as you can see, there are also some helper pop-ups to explain what the outlet ID and API secret are. So once he's entered all that information, he can simply click Get Started and follow the tutorial. It's pretty straightforward. Um, so I've gone ahead and opened my admin in a new tab so I can follow the tutorial and make the changes on separate pages. So first of all, I'm going to go and add Electroneum as a custom payment method. So I'd actually previously added the payment method just for my tests. So I'm just going to recopy and paste all of the material. So finally, the last step is really to copy these two lines of code. They were generated using the initial page of the tutorial. And we need to add that in the checkout additional scripts. I also made a mistake here, so just going to fix that. So that's about it for the tutorial part and the setup part. That's all the user will really have to do. Now, if you click on next, you're brought to um, this order management page, which is actually pretty ugly for the moment. I have to fix it. But basically, you just have this table with your orders. As you can see, I've got a test order number 2558, and I also did one order just to check everything was working before uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Um, so that's basically the whole interface for the moment. I might add some more things before I actually release it. Uh, so now to demonstrate the payments, I'm just going to go ahead and make an order. So I have a test product that costs a cent. So I just put in a random John Doe address in Switzerland. So yeah, now you can see that the Electroneum payment method appears. Uh, so this is where the magic happens. Uh, so once I click on complete the order, it'll generate the QR code based on the order amount. Now if I just bring up my phone screen, scan the QR code, and pay. Actually, before I do that, there's one last thing I need to show. Uh, so in the order management page, you'll see that I will have a order uh, number 2 that is listed as unpaid. And in the Shopify order management, you'll also see that the payment is set as pending for John Doe. You also see that I've previously made an order that succeeded. So if I go back onto my Electroneum app and pay for the purchase, as you can see with this, within seconds of the payment being validated on the blockchain, you'll get a notification on the screen to let you know your payment has been accepted. I haven't yet worked on making the QR code disappear, but that shouldn't be too difficult. And if you go back on the Shopify management, on the order management, sorry, you'll see that the order has switched to the status paid, and also on the Shopify order, they'll automatically be listed as paid. So that's basically it for the moment as far as features go. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. And I hope to bring a release, at least a beta release, pretty soon. Bye.